In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove password from Shopify store in 2025. New method. If your storefront still shows a password page, this quick walkthrough will show you exactly how to turn it off in the updated Shopify admin so customers can browse without a barrier. Start by signing in to your Shopify admin. You'll need to be the store owner or have staff permissions that let you change online store preferences. Once you're in, look at the left-hand sidebar and click Online Store. This opens the sales channel where your themes, navigation, and preferences live in the 2025 layout. Next, open Preferences. Shopify recently tucked store access controls into this area, so this is where you'll make the change. Inside Preferences, scroll until you see the Store Access section. Click it to open. If the section appears as a collapsible row, click it again to fully expand the controls so everything is visible. Here's the key part. You should see an option labeled something like Restrict Store Access with a password. To remove the password page, make sure this restriction is turned off. If a text field is highlighted on your screen, that's the optional message visitors would see on the password page. Since you're making the store public, you don't need to type anything there right now. You can leave it blank or update it later if you ever decide to re-enable password protection for a future launch or private sale. When you've confirmed the restriction is disabled, click Save. Wait for the saved confirmation to appear. That's your signal the change has applied. From this point on, your storefront should be publicly accessible. A couple of quick tips to avoid surprises. If the password toggle looks grayed out or you can't disable it, it usually means the store hasn't selected a plan yet. Choose a plan first, then return to Preferences to remove the password. After saving, it's a good idea to test from a shopper's perspective. Open your store URL in a private or incognito window to make sure the password page no longer appears. If you still see it, clear your browser cache or try a different device to rule out caching. Finally, remember that removing the password exposes your live catalog, so double-check your theme, product details, pricing, shipping, taxes, and payment settings before you go public. With the store access restriction turned off and your changes saved, your Shopify store is ready for visitors to browse and buy.